So you're using your Apple Pencil and then the tip breaks off and you think, oh no, I'm gonna have to replace this whole damn pencil. Well, I got news for you. All you gotta do is replace the tip. All you need is a little pin and a replacement tip. You can pick these up for under $10 online. As you can see, there's still the plastic from the old tip left in there, and we're gonna go ahead and use that pin to poke in there and rotate around and get that little bit of plastic out of there. As you can see here, I will put it inside and spin to the left, lefty-loosey, and that's going to unscrew the piece of plastic that's broken off inside there. Now you can see it's slowly coming out right there. Now that it's fully been unscrewed, I can just kind of spin off the rest of the little tip here. As you see, there it is. And now the broken part is off. Next step, you just grab your new tip. The new tip right there, as you can see, it's got the threading on the inside. So you just take the pencil, slip over the tip, and screw it back on. Boom. Now to test it out and see if it works,